Hey everyone, so what's the most important thing between you and the road? I'm going to tell you in a second. Hold on. So the most important thing between you and the road, you give up, is your tires, of course. And so I'm going to show you an example of a tire that's in need of replacement. So if you look at this tire right here, I've highlighted with a tire crayon. This is what's called a wear bar. There's a little raised portion that goes across the center of the tire. Once the tire wears down to that point, it's considered rubbish. But this tire in itself, if you look at this tire, the center of this tire is pretty much gone. So the problem with the tire when it gets like this is if you get into a hydroplane situation, I don't know if you've ever been in that before, but it's kind of scary where you kind of momentarily lose control of the car. It actually acts like a jet ski for a moment. So the ability for this tire to pump water away from the center of it is basically gone. Keep an eye on your tires, your tire pressures, very important for even tire wear. I recommend you rotate your tires every 5,000 miles and to get the most life out of them. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this quick little video about tires. Drive safe and check your tire pressures. Like and subscribe as well.